Hello you guys, we are back again today with another wig review. Today this review will be coming from the Icy Queen store off of Amazon, and this unit is synthetic, but check out these highlights. It is awesome. So let's get to the review. So for this unit, I have it in the color Ombre Ash Brown, and it do have the highlights in the front. This unit will come in the silk skin top, so therefore it will have that layer of the like the fake scalp. So you already know that with the silk base top that it's going to be really thick. I did go in to try and remove the silk top, but the hair that's under the lace is attached, so here in the top is really thick, so you won't have your illusion hairline with this unit. It's made almost like the units they used to make. So when you go in, I went in and I gelled back some of my natural hair just to try to give it an illusion that it's not, so that you don't see. And I cut a little V there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I cut a little V just so that you can blend it very well. But overall, I do like this unit. The waves are very gorgeous. It's giving me beach vibes and I'm loving it. And I will make sure that I link all of the information to this unit in the box below. So make sure that you go and support, and most of all, it is affordable. It was only $25.99 off of Amazon. So you make sure you go and get that unit if you love this unit. Also, please remember that they do have other colors. They have like a natural, they have a auburn top color, and they have like a brown, but I think the ash blonde is really my favorite. I didn't get too much tangling with this unit, but it do have a little frizz. It's not that long, but for the most part, even if I go in and brush it, the waves don't go anywhere. For $25.99, you really can't beat this. If you put like a hat on, if you want to go to the beach with this unit, you want to put a beach hat on, it'll be very nice. It'll be very cute. So for it to be a synthetic unit, it is pretty thick, and I was kind of hesitant about purchasing this unit, being that it was $25.99. I was expecting it to. It's very nice. It flows very natural. It's not tangling that much, and it's not that long. Maybe about a 22-inch, I would say. But the unit, I will be purchasing more units, but my only complaint is the hairline and the closure itself. Is, you know, with the way synthetic units have come, they've come a long way, so we're beyond the part being like it is. Like I said, it's really thick, and the closure itself or the lace itself actually stops about here. It's only a part, and it is kind of thick. So I want to see if I can show you a little closer up. You can see the little hump here in the top. I'm gonna show you. See, you can see here, you have some humpage going on. And I went in with my iron and tried to flatten it out. But the fact that you have that skin top there is really not much you can do. But if they, for future reference, if they was to make this unit in an invisible lace, or if they found another way to do this portion of this unit, it will be the bomb. It will be so gorgeous. But other than that, if you don't have a problem with that, or if you want to make it blend, just cut the lace back and put your foundation powder in and kind of blend it in, or if you want to wear a hat with it, that would be gorgeous as well. But I will throw on a hat just to kind of see how it looks, and then I will put that clip in as well just to kind of give you an idea of how it looks. I'm going to do a beach hat and I'm going to do a barrette. So I'm going to be right back and I'll show you how that looks as well. So here's how we're looking. I found a beach hat that you can throw on with your wig. Like I said, if you want to do a look like this works as well. And you can throw on your shades and get a nice little look there. Yeah. So I'm gonna stand up just to kind of give you an overview. Yes, honey. Now I'm gonna switch it up just for a second, and I'm going to put on my barrette, and then I will be right back. So here we go. Here's another look. And all I did was I went and changed it up, and this is giving me fall vibes. Yes, I love it. So all you're gonna have to do, you can put your beret on, beret, however you pronounce it, and listen, you can switch it up just a little bit, and I'm going to see how it looks. You can wear it like this, look like a painter. Or you can wear it to that side, or you can do it the old school way and wear it going to the back. Yeah. And that's another look you can do with this unit as well. And that's only because if you are very picky about how your lace look, then all you need to do, you can still get this unit, but you can just wear a hat. Or even you can do the, I think they're the fedora hats. You can do those as well, and that look will look very, very awesome. But this is the unit. And again, make sure that if you like this video, make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will link all of the information in the box below. And make sure that you go and support. Yes, this unit is very, very nice. The colors, it gives me life.